Raintree Village, great opportunity to enjoy maintenance-free living in the very desirable Raintree Village in Temple Terrace. Well-maintained 2-bedroom/1-bath condo is priced to sell. Located on the second floor, makes for quiet living. The great room houses the oversized living room, dining area, and kitchen with lots of cabinetry. The screened balcony/lanai is accessed from the great room where you can relax and enjoy your morning coffee or indulge in outdoor dining overlooking the beautiful green space and trees. Residents of this community have access to a range of amenities, including swimming pools, a clubhouse, tennis courts, RV storage area and beautifully landscaped common areas. HOA fee includes water, garbage, sewer, and basic cable. The complex is conveniently located near USF, VA, Moffett, shopping centers, restaurants, parks, and entertainment options, ensuring you're never far from the action. With its convenient layout and desirable location, this condo is the perfect place to call home. The community of Temple Terrace offers numerous newly remodeled playgrounds, parks, and walking trails, as well as a boat and kayak launch at Rotary and River Hills parks. Take advantage of the many activities for all ages with optional memberships to the family recreation complex that includes a remodeled gym, basketball, tennis, pickleball, volleyball, workout classes, a heated Olympic swimming pool, and water activities. Temple Terrace Golf and Country Club welcomes new homeowners with a free 3-month social membership to explore its amenities. Don't miss